Put your glasses on and let's study the vacuum connector on a 4-cylinder Ranger. Welcome to the channel. Want to learn how to fix your car and save money? Then smash that subscribe button for more content like this one. Today we'll learn what this part is, what it does, and how to change it. This part is in most Rangers and F150s on the road today, although their designs are somewhat different depending on the model. This one here was repaired with epoxy by the previous owner, more on that later. But what is the function of this part? This is a connector designed to handle both air and coolant simultaneously in separate isolated chambers. So how it works? The large hose routes the crankcase air down to your PCV valve, and the two smaller hoses tap into the engine's coolant lines to circulate antifreeze around the air passages and to the EGR valve. So where is it located? This part is located in a tight area between the engine and the firewall, making it difficult to remove. You'll need a small ratchet and a T25 bit. You can also use an L-shaped tool like this one. You'll need pliers to remove the clamps and hose pliers. And the steps to remove it are easy. Attach hose pliers, remove clamps, detach hose carefully, remove the screws that hold the connector. In my case, I waited and removed it while replacing the head gasket, which you can also watch that video below. The previous owner of this Ranger did some repairs to this part. I noticed that the rust was coming back, so I decided to buy a new one. The problem is, for these 4-cylinder Rangers, it's discontinued. I tried my luck with the new replacement part I found on eBay, but it wasn't the right size or shape. So I kept the O-ring and decided to paint it and continue using it until I can find another one. And to reinstall it, retrace the same steps in reverse, and we are done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.